Welcome everyone. My topic for presentation is lumbar nerve root anomaly, a diagnostic and therapeutic challenge. Lumbar nerve root anomalies are congenital. They are or misdiagnosed on MRI, mostly diagnosed intraoperatively. Its incidence varies from 0.7 to 17.3%. It possesses a high risk of neural injury during surgery. Here we are going to present a case of nerve root anomaly diagnosed intraoperatively and the way we tackled it. The patient was 74 male with right lower limb neurogenic claudication. Walking was less than 5 minutes. Failed all conservative management. On examination, right side SLR of 40, power 5 by 5 and sensation reduced on alpha and S1 dermatome. On dynamic X-ray, there was alpha S1 grade 1 listhesis and on MRI, there was right sided foraminal stenosis. So we planned a minimal invasive TLIF in this patient. So we proceeded with alpha S1 percutaneous screw, a midline contained incision and through that incision, a right transforaminal approach was taken. After removing the facets, an anatomical abnormal location of the nerve root was found, which was nodular in shape and which turned out to be a nerve root anomaly of type 1B according to Snyder-Magnum classification. The alpha nerve root was directly placed over the disc level. So, left transforaminal approach was chosen through the same incision, disc preparation, grafting, and then cage was placed. These are the post-op images. So, in discussion, as compared to neurological findings, symptoms are always amplified. There is high risk of neural injury if diagnosed surgically, which can lead to poor outcome. Outcome improves when known preoperatively, for which MRI signs like corner sign, fat crescent sign, parallel signs has been described by Sohn et al., but none of them were useful in our cases. Transforaminal approaches minimizes the risk of neural injuries. One should suspect a nerve root anomaly if the nerve is at a typical location, angulation, or when it's difficult to mobilize. With that technique, through the same incision, contralateral TLIF was done. If one is suspecting a nerve root anomaly on contralateral side, then salvage options like intertransverse interbody fusion or anterior approach can be considered. Thank you.